Enabling two-factor authentication on your Uber Eats account adds an extra layer of security to protect your personal information. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app. Launch the Uber Eats app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu button, usually located at the bottom of the screen. From the menu, select Account or Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option labeled Security or Privacy. Tap on it to find the two-factor authentication settings. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Find the option for two-factor authentication and toggle it on. You may be prompted to enter your phone number if you haven't already done so. Choose your preferred method of receiving authentication codes, such as SMS or an authentication app. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After enabling two-factor authentication, you may need to verify your phone number by entering a code sent to you. Follow the prompts to confirm and save your changes. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your Uber Eats account, enhancing your security. Make sure to keep your authentication method secure to protect your account further.